Hello students, in our previous lecture you would have learnt the conditions and definitions of addition, subtraction and scalar multiplication of matrices. In today's lecture we will see how to solve problems based on algebra of matrices and the concept of matrix multiplication. Let us take first example. Simplify cos theta into cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta sin theta. We'll take the given equation as cos theta into cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta sin theta. Here it is just like a scalar multiplication of matrices. We are going to multiply cos theta into the first matrix plus sin theta into the second matrix. If I multiply, I'll get cos theta into cos theta as cos square theta, cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta into sin theta, cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta plus again multiplying sin theta into the matrix, we get sin theta into sin theta is sin square theta minus sin theta into cos theta, sin theta cos theta, then sin theta into sin theta is sin square theta. Since there is addition symbol between the matrices, hence we are going to add the corresponding elements of the two matrices. If we add, I'll get cos square theta plus sin square theta as first position. For the second position, cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. Third position, minus cos theta sin theta plus sin theta cos theta. Last position, cos square theta plus sin square theta. In trigonometric identity, we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. Hence, cos square theta plus sin square theta gives 1. Cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta will get cancelled. For the third position also, minus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta will cancel, and last cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Hence, if I simplify the given equation, then I will get 1, 0, 0, 1. Second example is find x and y if x plus y is equal to 7, 0, 2, 5 and x minus y is equal to 3, 0, 0, 3. We'll consider these two as simultaneous linear equations. As you all know, by elimination method we can find the unknowns x and y. So I apply elimination method over here. Now we'll take these two equations simultaneously. To eliminate y, I should add two equations. By adding, I'll get x plus x as 2x, y and minus y get cancelled. Then 2x is equal to 7 plus 3, 0 plus 0, 2 plus 0, 5 plus 3. That is equal to 10, 0, 2, 8. Next, x is equal to 1 by 2 into 10, 0, 2, 8. Multiply 1 by 2 into the matrix, we will get x as 10 by 2 is 5, 0 by 2 is 0, 2 by 2 is 1, then 8 by 2 is 4. Now we have the unknown matrix x. To find y, we will substitute x in the first equation. Let the first equation is x plus y is equal to 7, 0, 2, 5. Substitute x, then 5, 0, 1, 4 plus y is equal to 7, 0, 2, 5. Then y is equal to 7, 0, 2, 5 minus 5, 0, 1, 4. Since there is negative symbol between the matrices, hence we can subtract corresponding elements of the matrix. Then y is equal to 7 minus 5, 0 minus 0, 2 minus 1, 5 minus 4, which gives y as 2, 0, 1, 1. Next problem. Find x and y if 2x plus 3y is equal to 2, 3, 4, 0 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 2, minus 2, minus 1, 5. We'll take the given equations simultaneously. Since for the elimination method the coefficients of x or y must be same, but here the coefficients are unequal. To make equal, multiply first equation by 3 and second equation by 2, which gives the equations 6x plus 9y is equal to 6, 9, 12, 0 and 6x plus 4y is equal to 4 minus 4 minus 2, 10. Now the coefficient of x is equal, therefore by subtracting these two equations, 6x minus 6x gives 0, 9y minus 4y which is equal to 5y is equal to 6 minus 4, 9 minus of minus 4, 12 minus of minus 2, 0 minus 10. That implies 5y is equal to 2, 13, 14 minus 10. Then y is equal to 1 by 5 into 2, 13, 14 minus 10. Now multiply 1 by 5 into the matrix, will get y is equal to 2 by 5, 13 by 5, 14 by 5 minus 10 by 5 which is equal to minus 2. This is the matrix value of y. Now to get the matrix X, we have to substitute y in the any of the equation. Let me take the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 2, 3, 4, 0. Substitute y, will get 2x plus 3 into 2 by 5, 13 by 5, 14 by 5 minus 2 is equal to 2, 3, 4, 0. Multiply 3 into the matrix, then 2x plus 3 2s are 6 by 5, 3 13s are 39 by 5, 3 14s are 42 by 5 and 3 into minus 6 is minus 2 is minus 6 is equal to 2, 3, 4, 0. Take that matrix to the RHS. 2x is equal to 2, 3, 4, 0 minus 6 by 5, 39 by 5, 42 by 5 minus 6. By subtracting corresponding elements, 2x is equal to 2 minus 6 by 5, 3 minus 39 by 5, 4 minus 42 by 5, 0 minus of minus 6. For the first element 2 minus 6 by 5, we'll take LCM. So 5 will be the LCM, then 5 2s are 10 minus 6, that is equal to 4 by 5. Similarly, we can take LCM for other elements also. After simplifying, we'll get 2x as 4 by 5 minus 24 by 5 minus 22 by 5 and 6. Then x is equal to 1 by 2 into 4 by 5 minus 24 by 5 minus 22 by 5, 6. Multiply 1 by 2, we'll get x as 2 by 5 minus 12 by 5 minus 11 by 5 and last position is 3. These two are the unknown values of x and y. Next problem is find x and y if 2 into 130x plus y012 is equal to 5618. We'll take the given equation. Then multiplying 2 into the matrix will get 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 2 into 0 is 0, 2 into x is 2x, plus y0 1 2 is equal to 5 6 1 8. There is addition symbol between the matrix, hence we can add the corresponding elements. Then 2 plus y, 6 plus 0, 0 plus 1, 2x plus 2 is equal to 5 6 1 8. Now equating the corresponding elements, we get the equations 2 plus y is equal to 5, 2x plus 2 is equal to 8. We'll take these two as two equations. From equation 1, we have y is equal to 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 gives 3, therefore y is equal to 3. Similarly, from equation 2, 2x plus 2 is equal to 8. If I take 2 to the RHS, then 2x is equal to 8 minus 2 gives 6. Then x is equal to 6 by 2 is equal to 3. Therefore, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 3. Find x, y, z and t if 2 into x, z, y, t plus 3 into 1 minus 1 0 2 is equal to 3 into 3 5 4 6. Let me take the given equation. By multiplying the scalars into the matrices, we'll get 2x, 2z, 2y, 2t plus 3 minus 3 0 6 is equal to 9 15 12 18. By adding 2x plus 3, 2z minus 3, 2y, 2t plus 6 is equal to 9 15 12 18. Equating the corresponding elements, 2x plus 3 is equal to 9, 2z minus 3 is equal to 15, 2y is equal to 12, 2t plus 6 is equal to 18. By solving, we'll get x is equal to 3, z is equal to 9, y is equal to 6, t is equal to 6. I hope you understood. Now we describe about the multiplication of matrices and its properties. Next, we'll see how do we multiply two matrices. Before that, we'll see the condition for multiplication. Let I consider matrix A of order m by n and matrix B of order n by p, such that the number of columns of matrix A, listen carefully once again, the number of columns of matrix A is equal to the number of rows of matrix B. Then the two matrices can be multiplied, which is denoted as A, B, and it can be multiplied, which is of order m cross p. Hence, A is a matrix of order m by n, B is a matrix of order n by p, then the product AB is of order m by p. Let us now see the properties of multiplication of matrices. First one, if I multiply the matrix AB to C and A to BC gives same result. This property is known as associative law. Second one, multiplying matrix A to the sum of B and C gives AB plus AC. Similarly, sum of A plus B is multiplied to C gives AC plus BC. This property is called distributive law. Third one, if I multiply the matrix A to the identity matrix, or identity matrix to the matrix A gives matrix A. This property is called identity property and I is called multiplicative identity. One more thing you have to note, AB is not equal to BA implies the matrix multiplication is non-commutative. We'll take up all these properties while solving the problems. Now we'll take examples on matrix multiplication. First one, if A is equal to 1, minus 2, 3, minus 4, 2, 5 and B is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 1. Find AB, BA, then show that AB is not equal to BA. Before finding AB and BA, we'll show that AB is not equal to BA. Here you can observe that matrix A has 2 rows and 3 columns. Therefore, order of matrix A is 2 by 3. And matrix B has 3 rows and 2 columns. Therefore, order of matrix B is 3 by 2. Since the number of columns of matrix A is equal to the number of rows of matrix B, hence two matrices can be multiplied. Therefore, AB is of order 2 by 2. Similarly, if I first multiply matrix B to matrix A gives a matrix BA of order 3 by 3. Therefore, AB is not equal to BA. Now, let us see how to multiply the matrix A and B. The product of AB is like this. If I multiply first row of matrix A to the first column of matrix B gives first position elements. Then multiplying first row of matrix A to the second column of matrix B gives second position elements. Similarly, multiplying second row of matrix A to the first column of matrix B gives third position, and multiplying second row of matrix A to the second column of matrix B gives fourth position elements. Hence, 1 into 2 plus 2 minus 2 into 4 plus 3 into 2 is the first position elements. For the second position, first row to second column gives 1 into 3 plus minus 2 into 5 plus 3 into 1. For the third position, second row to the first column elements, minus 4 into 2 plus 2 into 4 plus 5 into 2. For the last position, second row to the second column elements, minus 4 into 3 plus 2 into 5 plus 5 into 1. Here 1 1 denotes first row to the first column elements. 1 2 denotes first row to the second column elements. 2 1 denotes second row to the first column elements, and 2 2 denotes second row to the second column elements. By simplifying, we'll get AB as 2 minus 8 plus 6, 3 minus 10 plus 3, minus 8 plus 8 plus 10, minus 12 plus 10 plus 5 implies AB is equal to 0, minus 4, 10, 3. Again, we'll see how to multiply matrix B to the matrix A. The matrix BA is 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 1 into 1, minus 2, 3, minus 4, 2, 5. First, multiplying first row of matrix B to the first column of matrix A gives 2 into 1 plus 3 into minus 4. First row to the second column, 2 into minus 2 plus 3 into 2. First row to the third column is 2 into 3 plus 3 into 5. Similarly, second row of matrix B to the first column of matrix A gives 4 into 1 plus 5 into minus 4. Second row of B to the second column of matrix A is 4 into minus 2 plus 5 into 2. Second row of B to the third column of A is 4 into 3 plus 5 into 5. Then last, third row of matrix B to the first column of matrix A gives 2 into 1 plus 1 into minus 4. Third row of B to the second column of A is 2 into minus 2 plus 1 into 2. Third row of B to the third column of A gives 2 into 3 plus 1 into 5. By simplifying, we'll get BA is equal to 2 minus 12 minus 4 plus 6, 6 plus 15, 4 minus 20, minus 8 plus 10, 12 plus 25, 2 minus 4, minus 4 plus 2, 6 plus 5, that is equal to minus 10, 2, 21, minus 16, 2, 37, minus 2, minus 2, 11. This is the product of matrix BA. Next problem is compute the indicated products. First one, the product of 1, 2, 3 to the 2, 3, 4. Since first matrix is of order 3 by 1, second matrix is of order 1 by 3. If I multiply these two matrices, as a result I should get a matrix of order 3 by 3. First, we'll multiply first row to the first column, second column, third column. Gives 1 into 2, 1 into 3, 1 into 4. Then second row to the first column, second column, third column gives 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 2 into 4. Finally, third row to the first column, second column, third column gives 3 into 2, 3 into 3, 3 into 4. That is equal to 2, 3, 4, 4, 6, 8, 6, 9, 12. Second example, 1 minus 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1. First matrix is of order 2 by 2. Second matrix is of order 2 by 3. If I multiply these two, I should get a matrix of order 2 by 3. We'll see the multiplication. First row to the first column elements 1 into 1 plus minus 2 into 2. First row to the second column 1 into 2 plus minus 2 into 3. First row to third column 1 into 3 plus minus 2 into 1. Second row to the first column 2 into 1 plus 3 into 2. Second row to the second column 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3. Second row to the third column 2 into 3 plus 3 into 1. By simplifying, we'll get minus 3, minus 4, 1, 8, 13, 9 of order 2 by 3. Next problem is if f of x is equal to cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, 1, show that f of x into f of y is equal to f of x plus y. This question was asked for 3 marks this time. We'll see how to solve this. We'll take the given matrix f of x. Since the matrix f of x consists elements in terms of variable x, from this we can write the matrix f of y in terms of variable y, which gives f of y is equal to cos y minus sin y 0, sin y cos y 0, 0, 0, 1. Also, we can write the matrix f of x plus y in terms of elements x plus y. That is, f of x plus y is equal to cos x plus y minus sin x plus y 0, sin x plus y cos x plus y 0, 0, 0, 1, which is RHS part we are going to take. So we'll take this equation as equation number 1. Next we'll find the product f of x and f of y. So consider f of x into f of y as cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, 1 into cos y minus sin y 0, sin y cos y 0, 0, 0, 1. As you all know how to multiply two matrices, now first row to the first column gives cos x cos y plus minus sin x sin y plus 0 into 0. First row to the second column gives cos x into minus sin y plus minus sin x into cos y plus 0 into 0. First row to the third column gives cos x into 0 minus sin x into 0 plus 0 into 0. As a result, we will get 0 to the third position. Similarly, you can find second and third row elements. As a result, we will get f of x into f of y as cos x cos y minus sin x sin y minus of cos x sin y plus sin x cos y 0, sin x cos y plus cos x sin y minus sin x sin y plus cos x cos y 0, 0, 0, 1. As we all know in trigonometry, cos x cos y minus sin x sin y is cos of x plus y minus cos x sin y plus sin x cos y is sin of x plus y. 0 will take as it is. Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y gives sin of x plus y. Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y gives cos of x plus y 0, 0, 0, 1. We'll take this as equation number 2. Now observe equation number 1 and equation 2. We can write f of x into f of y is equal to f of x plus y because elements in equation 1 and 2 are same. Next example, if a is equal to 1, 0, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0, 3, prove that a cube minus 6a square plus 7a plus 2i is equal to 0. This type of questions can be asked for 5 marks. Let us take the given matrix A as 1, 0, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0, 3. since A square is nothing but the product of A into A. Similarly, A cube is nothing but the product of 3 A's. We can also get A3 as A square into A. First we'll find A square, that is product of A into A, as A square is equal to, same procedure for the multiplication. As we all know, first we have to multiply first row to the first column elements. 1 into 1 plus 0 into 0 plus 2 into 2. First row to the second column elements. 1 into 0, 0 into 2 plus 2 into 0. First row to the third column elements. 1 into 2 plus 0 into 1 plus 2 into 3. Next, second row to the first column elements. 0 into 1 plus 2 into 0 plus 1 into 2. Second row to the second column elements. 0 into 0 plus 2 into 2 plus 1 into 0. Second row to the third column elements. 0 into 2 plus 2 into 1 plus 1 into 3. Finally, third row to the first column elements. 2 into 1 plus 0 into 0 plus 3 into 2. Third row to the second column elements. 2 into 0 plus 0 into 2 plus 3 into 0. Third row to the third column elements. 2 into 2 plus 0 into 1 plus 3 into 3. As a result, we'll get A square as 1 plus 0 plus 4, 0 plus 0 plus 0, 2 plus 0 plus 6, 0 plus 0 plus 2, 0 plus 4 plus 0, 0 plus 2 plus 3, 2 plus 0 plus 6, 0 plus 0 plus 0, 4 plus 0 plus 9, that is equal to 5, 0, 8, 2, 4, 5, 8, 0, 13. Now we'll find A cube by multiplying A square and A. That gives first row to the first column 5 into 1 plus 0 into 0 plus 8 into 2. First row to the second column 5 into 0, 0 into 2 plus 8 into 0. First row to the third column 5 into 2 plus 0 into 1 plus 8 into 3. Next, second row to the first column 2 into 1 plus 4 into 0 plus 5 into 2. Second row to the second column 2 into 0 plus 4 into 2 plus 5 into 0. Second row to the third column 2 into 2 plus 4 into 1 plus 5 into 3. Third row to the first column 8 into 1 plus 0 into 0 plus 13 into 2. Third row to the second column 8 into 0 plus 0 into 2 plus 13 into 0. Third row to the third column 8 into 2 plus 0 into 1 plus 13 into 3. Then A cube is equal to 5 plus 0 plus 16, 0 plus 0 plus 0, 10 plus 0 plus 24, 2 plus 0 plus 10, 0 plus 8 plus 0, 4 plus 4 plus 15, 8 plus 0 plus 26, 0 plus 0 plus 0, 16 plus 0 plus 39, that is equal to 21, 0, 34, 12, 8, 23, 34, 0, 55. Now we have the matrices A square and A cube. We'll consider the equation A cube minus 6A square plus 7A plus 2I. We have to show that this equation is equal to 0. To show that, first I'll substitute the values A cube minus 6A square plus 7 into matrix A plus 2 into identity matrix of order 3 by 3 is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0, 0, 1. Multiply the scalars 6, 7 and 2 to the matrices, will get first matrix as it is, minus 6 into the matrix is 30, 0, 48, 12, 24, 30, 48, 0, 78, plus 7 into the matrix gives 7, 0, 14, 0, 14, 7, 14, 0, 21, plus 2 into the matrix gives 2, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 2. Next, we can simplify the matrix 21 minus 30 plus 7 plus 2. This is the corresponding elements of the first position elements. For the second position elements, 0 minus 0 plus 0 plus 0. Third position, 31 minus 48 plus 14 plus 0. Similarly, we can take other elements. Then by simplifying, we'll get a cube minus 6a square plus 7a plus 2i is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0.